Ocean life is under threat. Overfishing, emissions, and climate change pose a serious risk to the marine environment. If we are to ensure that the sea's resources are used in a sustainable and efficient blue economy, we need to be better at planning for the future. Marine spatial planning is one such process, using broad stakeholder participation and transparent spatial mapping of natural values and environmental pressures from human activities. The tool used to collect, compile and analyse this data for the Swedish Marine Spatial Plan is Symphony. The analyses performed by Symphony are based on the best available data and consist of maps showing environmental pressures, maps showing nature values, and a sensitivity matrix indicating the vulnerability of each nature value to each human pressure. By combining every pressure with every nature value and sensitivity score from the matrix, and then adding up the results for each area, we obtain a map and statistics of environmental impact for all parts of the marine area analysed. Calculation results indicate the level of environmental impact and how it varies between locations. Understanding where the environmental impact is high and where it is particularly low is crucial for marine spatial planning when managing activities in environmental protection. Data concerning which pressures have the greatest negative environmental impact and which nature values they affect are presented as diagrams and tables. This makes it easier to understand the environmental problems in various areas and how they can be reduced by better planning or other measures. With the aid of Symphony, future environmental impact can be simulated on a strategic level. Assumptions about how different pressures will develop make it possible to compare scenarios and different planning proposals to see how they will affect the environmental impact. By testing, comparing and evaluating, it becomes easier to choose the right solutions for an area. Symphony can also be used to indicate how climate change may affect different marine regions in the future. This is done by adding pressure maps representing expected changes in parameters such as temperature, salinity and ice cover. The Swedish maps are based on the latest climate models of the Baltic Sea region. Results provided by Symphony are based on the best available data, but include uncertainties. While some nature values have been mapped in detail, others are modelled on few observations. However, as nature values are mapped in more areas, the accuracy of available data increases, and thereby the reliability of results. If you would like to learn more about Symphony, please contact us at the Swedish Agency for Marine and Water Management.